just came out calling for my dog, so I didn't look where I was going. So I'm just going to have a quick look back. There's one I stepped on just on the way through just then. I think I saw one here. But as we get further back up, we have one here. And now here came my surprise. Not just this guy, but all of these guys. Plus, I believe I've got one over here. I've had my tripod or somebody to hold the camera right now. All of these disgusting, horrible little creatures will be getting taught how to fly. But yeah, you can imagine my surprise when I look down and see this.